Welcome back, everybody. It's me, KD, aka Grex. And this short, I'm about to show you the two most common and efficient ways of holding a cue stick. And this is the first one in which you have to place your cue stick over your thumb and also make sure that your cue stick is able to slide all over it, and also your hand as well. And by the way, you gotta always make sure that your palm touches whatever surface you're playing on, whether it is a pool table or a home table, kitchen table, just like what I'm using. Trust me, they will both do the trick uh, just as well. And the other way of holding it is to basically place your index finger over it on top of your cue stick, and so as to make your index finger touch your thumb, and then